Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu Chinese shopping app or IDFIS Chinese shopping app. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here, just like what you see right here. So this person reached out to me on my WhatsApp and asked me to place order for iPhone 12 on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. This is the phone link right here. I've already discussed everything with the seller and I decided to make a video about it and show you on how we actually place order for this particular iPhone 12 on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to go ahead and I will simply click on the product link right here. So have you opened up the product link? Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on open in the app right here. This will allow me to load the product straight into the app. Just like what you see right here, this is the product right here. And then let's take a look at the product picture. And this is the phone picture right here. Just like so, you can see. And the report on the phone is being certified right here. So next thing we want to do is to go ahead and see how we buy this particular iPhone 12 on Xianyu. So for that, we want to make sure we click on here to proceed. Just like so. So I have already chats with the seller, and these are my chats with the seller right here, just like what you see right here. Actually, the phone was sold for 815 and I have bargained for the price reduction, and the seller agreed to sell it with just 800 yuan, just like what you see right here. And as a result of that, the seller has agreed to reduce the price, and you can see this is the phone video right here. Let me quickly play the video so you can see. Just like so. So you can see the product video right here. So as a result of price reduction, the seller has reduced the price. I'm going to go ahead and click on here to proceed with the payment of this particular iPhone 12 on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, IDFish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's proceed with the payment on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with the payment. Just like so. And the next thing you can see, I'm paying the sum of 800 yuan to purchase this particular iPhone 12 right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. To allow the Alipay to connect, I'm going to screenshot the proof of payment right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. Then enter my payment password. Payment done, successful right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to go back. Just like so. You can see here that the payment has been done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to send proof of payment to the seller right here. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. My picture gallery. Select the proof of payment and send. Having sent the proof of payment to the seller, I'm going to exit from my Xianyu for now. I will go ahead and come to my Google Translate right here. I will say payment made successful. Just like so. I'll go ahead and click on here to copy the Chinese character. Come back to my Xianyu right here. Click on here, paste and send. Just like so. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and exit from here and then go back. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on my profile icon. Then click on here to see the phone we just paid for. You can see it right here. It's that simple. Lastly, I will go ahead and send proof of payment to the person that asked me to buy this phone on my WhatsApp right here. So here we go. You can see my conversation with the owner of the phone right here. Just like what you see right here. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on attachment, my gallery, select the proof of payment and say payment done. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your supplier on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, IDFish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.